guys! Welcome to my mini vlog! This morning, we went to Lola Doc because I'm sick and I have rashes and cough. She just gave me medicine and now no vaccine! I pink.
Chubby pink.
They're pink.
Chini pink.
Ang pink.
Black pink.
Blank pink. No pink.
No pink.
No pink.
No pink. Panot pink. Ano?
Koremao pink.
Koremao pink.
Then we decided to go to District Mall to eat some lunch with Genie Pink Sound. Genie Pink Sound. Genie
사랑이 주게 하추와 추추추 뚜끄뚜끄뚜끄 하추와 추추추. Wala nang restaurant dito sa district. Sarado na lahat.
We ate at Kenny Rogers through the years. I ordered burger steak and it's so yummy and hot. Never let me down.
Hindi lang, blow mo lang kung tinis kasi. Buha ka naman ng kanin, di mainit na naman yan.
Food is so hot. Turn my life around.
Blow mo lang kung tinis kasi. Buha ka din. Blow mo lang.
Sige lang, go mo. Hindi kasi ako pwede. Yung laway ko mapupunta dyan.
At last, my first bite.
Ano? Yummy? Nainitan yun. Move mo yung ano. I move it here. Ay! Tatay. Wow. Lakas kumain ng corn and carrots. Ang galing ah.
Me and Tatay are going home, but Nani will stay because she will pamper herself. See you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah!